Let's make a paper plane together. Throw it and see what happens. The paper plane flies because of the presence of air. Air is everywhere. Our Earth is surrounded by a blanket of air called the atmosphere. An atmosphere is a layer of gases surrounding our planet. There are 4 layers of an atmosphere. Troposphere is the first layer of the atmosphere. This is where you and I exist. Most life exists in this layer because this layer has air. The other layers are the stratosphere, mesosphere, and thermosphere. Almost all living things need air to breathe. When we breathe, we take in oxygen from the air into our blood. Most of the animals breathe through their nose and lungs just like us. But animals that live in water, for example fish, use special organs called gills to breathe. These animals take in water and use the gills to filter out the oxygen that is dissolved in the water. And do you know that plants also need air? During the day, plants make their food by a process called photosynthesis. In this process, they take in carbon dioxide from the air and release oxygen. There are many other uses of air aside from breathing. A candle needs oxygen to burn. If we cover it, it stops burning. This tells us that oxygen present in the air is needed for the process of burning. Now, who will tell me what footballs and balloons are filled with? Air is used to fill up footballs and balloons. We cannot play with a flat football, and balloons look pretty when they are full of air. Don't you agree? Let's take a closer look at how important air is for living and non-living things. Row 1 shows living things and row 2 shows non-living things. What is the one thing common between row 1 and row 2? All these things need air to function. All living things will die without air. The non-living things in row 2 need air to become useful. Have you ever seen a windmill? It works with the help of wind. Moving air is called wind. People use windmill to grind grains, pump water, and generate power. Let me now test your understanding. Can you tell me how airplanes fly in the sky? Airplanes fly in the sky because of air. Why do bubbles rise when we place an empty water bottle upside down in a container full of water? When we try to dip a bottle upside down into a water container, air escapes out by pushing the water molecules in the form of bubbles. In this video, we learned that air is everywhere, but we cannot see it. All living things need air to live. Air is needed for the process of burning. Moving air is called wind.